Are you ready for baby Oliver to get here? You want to give baby Oliver a kiss? Aww. You gonna be a good big brother? You gonna teach baby Oliver what a cow says? Are you gonna teach baby Oliver what a polar bear says? What a polar bear says? How about what a snake says? How about you're gonna teach him about an elephant? What about a leopard? What's a leopard say? That's an elephant. Yeah. I love you. You wanna give baby All another kiss before you get down? Yeah, that's what an elephant says. Bye.